Yes, that's a frying pan. That's what I use for the template. My kid got some jumper cables. I had some leather laying around, and if you've ever bought the jumper cables, you might get a decent pair, but they come in some crappy vinyl bag that degrades in the Texas heat in about a month, and it just cracks and falls apart, or the zipper rips out, and I was like, I'm sick of that. So I wanted to make one that would last. So I just decided to do it out of some spare leather I had laying around. So obviously I made it like a round bag. These little clips, if you're going to be stitching leather, they are really handy, especially if you're not gluing it beforehand. And with this upholstery thread that you have to run through this machine, I just burn the ends. There's no tying knots. You just like 3 or 4 stitches forward, 3 or 4 stitches backwards, and do that a couple times. I went all the way around this outside and then a zigzag across the middle because I didn't want it to rip out. I want this to definitely outlast the crappy vinyl bag. Doing this little skive thing here, but that's actually not the proper tool for it. I just sharpened the crap out of it so it would work. Let me tell you, it was a pain in the rear stitching that on there. In case you're wondering why I didn't put any handles on it, the handles stick out from underneath the car seat and your feet get tangled in it. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and tell a friend, leave a comment. Thank you. And here's the finished product.